Welcome back everybody. So if you are really struggling to lose belly fat, this is something you must need to understand. There is a powerful hormone called GLP-1, Glucagon-Like Peptide-1, which controls blood sugar, switches off cravings, slows digestion, and tells your brain when to stop eating. When GLP-1 is low, you feel hungry all the time, belly fat builds up, and weight loss becomes a real fight. In this video, I'll show you 5 everyday food that naturally boost GLP-1, the same hormone targeted by weight loss injection, but can be activated naturally through food. Stay till the end because boosting GLP-1 can completely change your appetite, your blood sugar, and your belly fat. The belly fat around your waist isn't just about the aesthetic or looking good or looking sexy. It has direct link to insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. And modern life is quietly switching GLP-1 off. Ultra-processed food, constant snacking, sugar spikes, stress, and poor sleep can have the direct link with the decreased level of GLP-1. All of this stops your gut from releasing enough GLP-1. What GLP-1 actually does. GLP-1 is a hormone released from your gut. When you eat, it tells your brain you are full. It slows digestion so food stays in your stomach for a longer period of time. It controls blood sugar and insulin release. Higher GLP means fewer cravings, stable energy, and easier fat loss. Low GLP means constant hunger, stubborn belly fat. That's why the GLP-1 injection, which boosts GLP-1, are very successful. But what most people don't realize, your body already knows how to produce GLP-1 naturally. It's just you need to eat the right food. So here are the 5 foods that naturally boost GLP-1, and they are backed by the science and they are very effective, and you will see the difference within few weeks. So food number 1, eggs. Eggs are one of the strongest natural GLP-1 trigger. They are high in very high quality protein, and they reduce hunger hormone, keep you fuller for hours. This is why eggs at breakfast often stop craving all day. Food number 2, Greek yogurt, unsweetened, full fat. Your gut controls GLP-1, and Greek yogurt supports your gut. Greek yogurt is high in protein, it has probiotic, improved gut hormone signaling. A healthier gut means a stronger GLP-1 release. Food number 3, fatty fish, salmon and sardines. Omega-3 fats improve GLP-1 sensitivity, slows digestion, improve insulin response, reduce inflammation. This is why fish keeps you satisfied with fewer calories. Food number 4, avocado. Healthy fats, slow digestion, and slow digestion increase GLP-1, prevents blood sugar crashes, keep you fuller for longer, supports hormone balance. Food number 5, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, rockets. Fibre is a hidden GLP-1 superpower. It feeds gut bacteria, triggers GLP-1 release, and they are very low in calories. Eat vegetables first and GLP-1 rises even higher. If your diet is mostly refined carbs and ultra-processed food, GLP-1 stays low and belly fat keeps growing. Food can act like medicine when you understand hormones. Boost GLP-1 naturally, bring these 5 foods into your daily habit, and you will see the difference, and your body finally works with you, not against you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.